you guys. So today I am, as you can see, cleaning out my refrigerator, cleaning my kitchen. I'm gonna clean the girls' room, just get rid of all this nasty old food. Right there you can see my celery just went bad. We were on vacation this past weekend, so this was well needed. So I am just going through old food. What is this? A plate cover? I don't know. Anyways, I'm just going through old food, dumping things, cleaning bins, and I am going to organize and clean out my refrigerator. So stay tuned. All right, now that the refrigerator is cleaned out, I'm going to clean it with the Method brand anti-bac cleaning solution to get rid of any crud on my shelves in the refrigerator and clean it all up. Ta-da! Clean refrigerator. Old food was thrown out. You can see on the top shelf I have our drinks. I have some fresh vegetables the kids can grab, and everything is clean and organized. I do need to go grocery shopping though. That chicken is for dinner. You can see it's all nice and clean. There's no cruddy, nasty food. I got those shelves at, or not shelves, those bins at the Dollar Tree. I love them. They're clear. It's perfect for Harper or Emily to grab. There's some fruit. I'm making that chicken. And I also cleaned out the drawers. I organized. I also have a 3 organizer in there that I got at the Dollar Tree as well. I love those. It just makes it cleaner and organized. And I got my fruits in there, some of my fruits. And in the bottom shelf, oh, there's Stella. She always has to be in the mix. Hi, Stella, cutie. And I have my stuff that I was going to make for dinner for tonight, which you guys will see. I am making stuffed bell peppers. I also cleaned the side, as you can see, and organized all that, threw away all the nasty stuff, so everything is nice and clean and organized. Right, now that the refrigerator is done, I just cleaned my counters. I scrubbed my walls. I did my floors. I used, again, the Method anti-bac. I love the smell of it. Actually, this is my first time using it. I usually use Miss Meyer's, which I absolutely love, but I am really liking the anti-bac. We've had a lot of colds and sicknesses in the house, so I just wanted to disinfect everything. It worked really well on my counters, my tables, the walls, the refrigerator. I even used it on my floor. I love it. I got it at Target. I think it was under $4. Okay, now to tackle the girls' room. I've wanted to do this before Christmas, but didn't get around to it. It was super busy, so we are getting around to it. As you can see, the room is a disaster. We also had stuff from our trip this weekend. There's clothes that I need to go through to donate. There's toys I need to go through to donate. Okay, so here's the after. I didn't have time to record it. I just wanted to get into cleaning it. As you can see, it's 10 times better. Everything was also washed. So I washed sheets and pillowcases and blankets. That's Harper's bed. That's Emily's bed. They share a room. I was able to donate 3 bags of clothes and a bag of toys. This is Emily's little makeup vanity area. Cleaned that. I still need to go through the closet and go through clothes in there, but for the most part, everything is cleaned, sanitized. I also cleaned the top of their fan as well. And of course, like I said, Stella has to be right there. So, hi, Stella, pretty girl. Anyways, the room is complete and done. I'm happy. The girls are going to feel so much better when they get home from school and they see how nice and clean their room is. Now that that's done, I'm preparing dinner. I'm making turkey stuffed bell peppers. Okay, so I'm starting off with my bell peppers. I got a pack of 6, red, yellow, and orange. I like all 3 of them. I think my husband prefers the orange ones. So I'm just cutting the tops off of the bell peppers right here and then pulling out the insides. I also rinse them out because I just want to make sure there's no leftover seeds in there. That's usually what is the spice. It doesn't bother me, but I know that the girls will not eat it if it's spicy at all. But so I'm just pulling all of that out, and then I just do a really quick rinse. Okay, so these are the tops of the bell peppers. I save those and put those aside. You will see what I do with them later, so I'm just cleaning those up. Now I have a pot boiling with water. I only put about 2 inches of water to steam the bell peppers. As you can see, I'm putting my bell peppers in. It's okay if water goes in the inside of the bell peppers throughout the time of checking them. I just kind of pour the water out, but you can see right there, there's about maybe 2 inches, maybe 1.5 inches of water, and I'm just placing them inside upright. You don't have to steam them. I like to steam them to soften them versus just putting them straight into the oven, but I guess it's just a preference. Okay, while those are steaming, you can see I have the tops of the bell peppers. I'm just chopping everything up really finely. You don't have to. If you want or prefer the bell peppers to be chunkier, you can do that too. But I like them more finely chopped so it blends in with the meat that I'm using. Okay, now next I'm using an onion. I'm not using a whole lot of onion, just a small amount, more for flavor. And then I'm also going to chop that up pretty finely as well, and then mix that in with the bell peppers that I just chopped up. Now that that's done, I'm on to the meat. Now you can use beef. I personally do not eat any red meat, so I'm using ground turkey, and honestly my family could not tell a difference. Once you season everything, you can't tell a difference. So I'm just cooking that. Bell peppers are still steaming. The seasonings I use: garlic salt, cumin, seasoning salt, and I just season it to taste. I think I use about anywhere from a half a teaspoon to a tablespoon, and then I just cook that all up. Okay, once the meat is browned, you take all the chopped bell peppers and onions and you just add that into the meat, and then you just toss it all around and let that simmer on low. Now I'm adding the rice. It's the ready to serve rice. You toss in the microwave for 90 seconds and it's ready to go. It's chicken flavored. You can also make your own rice. It's whatever you prefer, but this is fast and easy and tastes delicious. Once that's tossed around, I'm adding a can of tomato sauce. You don't have to. I like to add some kind of sauce to it. So I'm using tomato sauce. You can also do marinara sauce or some type of pasta sauce. It's whatever you prefer. Just toss that all around. Again, put the lid on it, let it simmer on low. Now that the meat is simmering, I'm checking on the bell peppers. They're steamed and I'm just checking them right here to make sure they're as soft as I want them. Okay, now I'm placing them in a separate Pyrex dish, and this is where I'm going to get the meat that I made that's all done, and I'm going to stuff all my bell peppers with the meat. Sometimes I add corn. I didn't have any on hand, so I didn't, but you can also do that or add whatever you want. But here I'm just stuffing all my bell peppers and preparing them for cheese. I'm using mozzarella and I'm using cheddar jack. Again, that's a preference, and I just cover the tops with as much cheese as I want. And then once those are done, I'm just gonna pop them into my oven for about 5 minutes or so at 375 until the cheese is melted. And there you go. My bell peppers are ready. They were delicious. The girls loved them. Harper ate hers up and wanted seconds. And there you have it, a quick, easy meal your family will enjoy. Thanks for cooking and cleaning with me. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like our video. Bye, guys.